Folks, last night was a tense one for our friends in Cecil County, Maryland. A tornado warning was issued. Severe storms barreled through the region on Friday evening, May 30th, 2025. The National Weather Service saw rotation on their radar. They saw the telltale signs of a developing tornado. The call went out, take shelter immediately. This is the kind of alert that makes your heart pound. It's a signal that you need to act fast to protect yourself and your loved ones. The skies turned dark and angry. The wind began to howl. The warning sent a clear message to everyone in the path of the storm. This wasn't a drill. This was a potentially life-threatening situation unfolding right over their heads. Emergency services were on high alert. They were ready to respond to whatever the storm threw at them. Residents were urged to stay tuned to their weather radios and local news. Information is power in these critical moments. The sound of the wind, the driving rain, and the emergency alerts created an atmosphere of serious concern. People were checking on neighbors, securing outdoor objects, and hoping for the best while preparing for the worst. It's so important to know the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. These terms sound similar, but they mean very different things. Think of it like baking a cake. A tornado watch means the ingredients are all there. Conditions are favorable for tornadoes to develop in and near the watch area. The atmosphere is unstable, there's enough wind shear. All the elements that a storm needs to produce a tornado are present. So, during a watch, you need to be prepared. You need to have a plan. Stay informed and keep an eye on the sky. This is the time to review your safety procedures. A tornado warning is much more serious. It means a tornado has actually been sighted by storm spotters or indicated by weather radar. This isn't just a possibility anymore. This is happening now or is imminent in the warning area. When a warning is issued, you need to take action immediately. There's no time to wait and see. The danger is present. It's like the cake is in the oven and it's about to come out, or it's already out and on the counter. That's the urgency we're talking about. Last night in Cecil County, it was a warning. That meant a tornado was likely on the ground or forming. When a tornado warning is issued, every second counts. Your first and most important action is to seek shelter immediately. If you have a basement or a designated storm cellar, that is the absolute best place to be. Get underground. This puts you below the path of the destructive winds and flying debris, which are the biggest threats from a tornado. Make sure your emergency kit is with you if possible. This kit should include things like water, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a weather radio. Being prepared beforehand makes these moments less chaotic. If you don't have a basement, go to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. A closet, a bathroom, or a central hallway can work. The more walls between you and the outside, the better. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. These are the most vulnerable parts of a building and can easily be shattered or penetrated by debris. Section 4. The bigger picture, severe weather trends and our changing planet. The severe weather we saw in Cecil County last night, including the tornado warning, is part of a pattern we're observing more frequently.
While it's complex to link any single weather event directly to climate change, we are seeing shifts in severe weather patterns. Scientists are studying these trends very closely. One area of concern is that a warming atmosphere can hold more moisture. More moisture means more fuel for storms. This can lead to heavier rainfall events like the flood watch that was also in effect for Cecil County and other parts of Maryland.
Section 5. Through the storm, local experiences, and expert guidance. Last night, as the tornado warning blared, residents across Cecil County experienced a wide range of emotions. For many, it was a sudden interruption to their Friday evening, a stark reminder of nature's power.
Social media lit up with people sharing their experiences, asking if neighbors were safe, and posting images of the menacing sky. While official reports indicated no major injuries as of Friday evening, the anxiety was palpable.
Emergency crews were out assessing any potential damage, a task made more challenging by the darkness and ongoing stormy conditions, including those gusty winds of 35 to 50 miles per hour that threatened power outages.
Experts like the meteorologists at the National Weather Service were working tirelessly. They tracked the storm cell by cell, using sophisticated radar to detect rotation that could indicate a tornado. Their swift issuance of the warning was crucial. It provided those vital minutes for people to get to safety.
Their advice, consistently echoed by emergency management officials, was clear. Heed the warnings, take shelter, and stay informed. These professionals emphasize that even if a tornado doesn't directly hit your house, the associated severe thunderstorm can still bring damaging winds, large hail, and flash flooding. All serious threats in their own right.
The key takeaway from last night's events in Cecil County, and from the increasing frequency of severe weather we're witnessing, is the critical importance of preparedness.